Hello everybody, back again with a new project, okay? Okay, if we look at this, by the way, I put the screensaver because this is an OLED screen, and if you keep the imaging without moving for a while, it might damage it. Okay, this is the button. The program, it's RSS BBC News. Okay, so when we press, we have the BBC News, and here's the first information. There is a second. There is the fourth, actually, because it bypassed one. Okay, and as you can see, as you press the button, we get to the next news. You flip page by page through the OLED screen, and we parse it with our Arduino library to collect information from the BBC API. Okay, the API is for free, so there is no key or anything like that. It works pretty fine, and I have put a resistor, I grounded the resistor with a button and put it on, the button is connected to pin number 4, alright, and then you can see the LED screen. Obviously it's got a pin 6 and 7, which is a I2C, it's a ADA, sorry, ACL and SDA. Number 6, it's ADA, SDA, and number 7, it's ACL. Right, and this is ESP32 C3. Remind you that it's got different pins. Okay, so, and here's a card. Alright, this is all the library that you require. If you don't have it, you got to install it. Except this one, Secrets, which is, it's got my particular, okay, my credentials, whatever, not sure how you want to call them. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the RSS2JSON.com, okay, that picks up the news from the BBC News. That's the endpoint. Okay, so the bottom pin is number 4, 7 it's SDA, and 6 it's SEL for the screen. This you need to double quote if you want. Take the double quote off if you want to put your network name and your password, okay? And then you must you double quote this one because you're not using secrets folder tab next to the main sketch, okay? The reason why, as I said, I put it there, it's got my particulars and I don't like to publish them. Okay, so there it is. Yeah, you just have to put your username and your password. Username of your network. And as I said, this one you just double quote it because you're not going to use it. So there we are, and I will publish the code on the YouTube channel with an explanation. I don't explain it here because sometimes my accent seems to have a problem explaining things. Alright, so, and it's a very simple project, it's practically. As I said, I put this a screensaver. Let me get closer. Okay, we can see BBC. Okay, I think I've covered everything on this case. Okay guys, thank you very much. I hope you enjoy. Have a good day. Bye.